So in this video, we are going to learn how to use AI to extract financial data from PDFs and add in Google Sheets. Let's say you get financial reports of the companies or your clients and you want to get some details out of it and store it somewhere like Google Sheet to maintain their record. But the manual process of opening each PDF file, getting the details and saving it in Google Sheet is a tedious and repetitive task. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can build an AI agent to do that. Now this AI agent will capture the new PDF files which we can upload in our Google Drive folder. Then this AI agent will send the same file to OpenAI, and using OpenAI, it will extract the details out of it. After extracting the details, we can add the same details. This AI agent will add the same details in your Google spreadsheet as well. Now, if you want to learn how you can build this AI agent all by yourself, for that, let me just take you to my screen.
So as you can see, this is my Google Drive folder in which I'm uploading the PDF file with the financial reports of the company. Now, I want to basically extract the details from this financial report PDF using OpenAI and add those details in my Google spreadsheet like this. So here you can see that in this Google spreadsheet, we have the financial data extracted from this same report. And we have extracted all the details using the AI agent. Now to connect all of these applications and build this AI agent, we have used Pabbly Connect. And before we start with the step-by-step process that how you can build this AI agent from scratch all by yourself, let me just clear this data from my Google spreadsheet. So we are just starting fresh right now. All we have is a Google Drive folder in which we have uploaded a PDF file with some financial data. Now to get started with Pabbly Connect, just go to your browser and search for Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect. And here you can see that we have reached to Pabbly Connect's landing page. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up free. Now, if you are new to Pabbly, by clicking on this sign up free button, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. Or if you're an existing Pabbly user, just click on sign in. After signing in, here you will reach to all apps page of Pabbly. And here we just have to click on access now below Pabbly Connect. And as you click on access now, we will reach to Pabbly Connect's dashboard. After reaching to this dashboard, we have to create a workflow for our AI agent. For that, just click on this create workflow button and give this workflow a name. Let's say I'll name it as AI agent for financial data extraction. You can basically give any other name as per your choice. After naming our workflow, we just have to select the folder of our Pabbly Connect account in which we want to set up this workflow and click on create. And as you click on create, here you can see the workflow will open in front of us. In this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this AI agent, this workflow works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with the trigger step. Now the idea here is, first, we have to connect our Google Drive folder with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step, so that whenever a new PDF file with the financial data is uploaded, whenever a new financial report is uploaded in this Google Drive folder, the same file can be captured by our AI agent and the AI agent will trigger, it will start. So here in the trigger step, in Choose App, search for Google Drive, just select it. After selecting Google Drive in trigger event from the drop-down, select the trigger event as new file in specific folder. Then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our Google Drive account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, just click on this sign in with Google button. And after that, here from the pop-up window, select your Google Drive account, then just scroll down and click on continue. And as you click on continue, we will see our Google Drive account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, it is asking us for the folder or subfolder. And in this drop-down, here you can see a list of all the folders which we have in our Google Drive account. Out of all of this, the folder in which we are uploading the financial reports is named as financial reports over here. So from this drop-down, I'll just search for the same report, same folder over here, financial reports, and select it. After selecting this folder, here what we have to do, we just have to click on this save and send test request button. And as we click on save and send test request, the details of the last file, the most recent PDF file which is uploaded in this Google Drive folder will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. But before we click on save and send test request, first we have to change the share permission. Now, if I open this document, this financial report over here, you can see the share permission of this document is private to only me. And with this share permission, we can't send this document to OpenAI and extract the data out of it. So we have to change the share permission of this document. And not just for this particular document, all the PDF files, all the financial reports or financial document which we are uploading in this Google Drive folder, and we want to extract the data from using this AI agent, we have to change the share permission of all of those files. But changing the share permission of each and every file one by one is a tedious, repetitive task. So what you can do, you can change the share permission of this complete folder. Click on this folder name from the drop down, just go to share, and after clicking on share, the general access, the permission is restricted right now. From this drop down, select anyone with the link and click on done, and we are good to go. Now all the files which will be uploaded in this Google Drive folder will have a share permission of anyone with the link. And now you can see that automatically the share permission of this document is also changed to anyone with the link. After changing the share permission and ensuring that at least we have one PDF file, one document over here in our Google Drive folder, just click on this Save and Send Test Request button. And as you click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see that we have received the response. And in this response, we have received the details of the same file which we had in our Google Drive folder. Here in front of link, you can see we have the web view link over here. And using this link, you can open and view the document as well. Then after that, we have this web content link. And this is the direct download link over here. If I copy this link and paste it in a new tab, you can see that the same financial document, the same PDF file will be downloaded in my system. And here it is downloaded. So in this way, you can see that we have received the rest of the details of the same file. We'll scroll down further, and here you can see we have the name of the same file, the date it is modified, it is uploaded, and all of that. So the step 1 of building this AI agent is completed. Now let's move to step 2. And in step 2, we want to send the same file to OpenAI to extract the data out of it. For that, we will scroll down, come to this action step. Here in Choose App, we will search for OpenAI and select it. After selecting OpenAI, an action event from the drop-down, select the action event as Extract Content from PDF/image. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here we have to connect our OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API key of our OpenAI account. Now you must be thinking how you can get this API key. To get it, just go to your OpenAI account and from the dashboard, go to this API keys section. After clicking on API keys, just click on this Create New Secret Key button and give this API key a name. Let's say I'll name it as Pabbly Connect. Then just select the project of your OpenAI account for which you are generating the API key and permission as all. And click on this Create Secret Key button. And as you click on Create Secret Key, the API key will be generated. Just copy the API key from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. After pasting the API key, just click on Save. And as you click on Save, we will see our OpenAI account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, it is asking us for the AI model. So in this drop-down, here you can see a list of models which you can use to extract the data from the PDF document. So out of all of this, I want to use GPT-4o Mini as the model to extract the financial data. So I'm selecting it. Then it is asking us for the image/PDF URL. And here we have to enter the directly downloadable URL, the direct download link of the PDF file of the financial data. So we have received the link, the URL of the file, PDF file or the financial report from Google Drive in the trigger step. So here from the trigger step responses, we have to map this response of web content link, the direct download link of the file to this OpenAI action step. And to add the trigger step responses to this OpenAI action step, we are going to use a process called mapping. And the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field of image/PDF URL and from the drop down, from Google Drive responses, select the response of web content link and it will be mapped. After mapping the link, it is asking us for the prompt. That what is the prompt we want to give to OpenAI. So we have to tell OpenAI that what do we want to do with this file. So here I want to give the prompt as extract the details from the PDF file and give response in shared structured format. Extract the details from the PDF file and give response in shared structured format. So this is the prompt which I'm giving to OpenAI. After entering the prompt, it is asking us for the structured output. Now you must be thinking, what is this structured output? So if we keep this field as blank, OpenAI is going to extract the details and give us all the details, all the text into a single response. But because we want to add the extracted data in our Google spreadsheet and we want to add individual details in individual cells over here, we want a structured response over here. We want the response, we want the details for each and every field. We want separate response for separate fields, separate information. And to get it, we have to basically give a structured output. We have to basically give a JSON structure or JSON object telling OpenAI that we want the extracted data in this particular format. Now, if you want to learn more about the structured output thing, here in the help text, you can see this hyperlink. Just click on it and it will take you to a video on our channel. You can just refer to this video and learn more about the structured output of OpenAI. But here you must be thinking that how you can create a JSON structure, a JSON object of your choice to get the desired output from OpenAI. So don't worry, you don't have to write the JSON schema, the JSON object all by yourself. Here an important note, you can see this link. Just click on it and it will take you to a page on OpenAI. At this page, just click on this generate button and here you just have to list out the fields or list out the information which you want to extract from the PDF file. Like I want to extract all the details for which I have the headers, I have columns created in Google Sheet. So I'll just copy all the column names from Google Sheet over here and paste it over here. And then just click on create. Now I'm just using this random method, but you can basically write a detailed prompt naming each field, describing each field that this particular field will have this particular data and also specifying the field type as well, whether it's a string, boolean or any kind of that. So I'm just entering the details, but you can enter a detailed specified prompt, a tailored prompt to get the desired output or desired structured format. And here you can see that within few seconds, the JSON schema is created by OpenAI. After getting this JSON schema over here, what we want to do, we will just copy this JSON schema from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here in the structured output field. After pasting the JSON schema over here, all we have to do is just click on this save and send test request button. And as we click on save and send test request, we will see automatically within few seconds, we are going to receive some response from OpenAI. And in that response, we will get the extracted data from the same PDF file, from the same financial report which we have uploaded in Google Drive. And we are going to get the data into a specific structure. So for each and every information, we will get a separate response. So let's wait for a few seconds over here. And yes, here you can see that within few seconds, we have received a response. And in this response, you can see that for each and every details which we have created header in our Google spreadsheet, we have received a separate response. We have a separate response of company name, period covered, cash and cash equivalents over here, and for each and every detail. So in this way, by entering the JSON structure over here, by entering this JSON schema, we told OpenAI that we want the extracted data in this particular format, and OpenAI has given us the response in the same format. After extracting the details, we want to add all of these details in our Google spreadsheet. For that, just scroll down, click on this Add Action Step button over here, and then here in Choose App, we will search for Google Sheets. Just select it. After selecting Google Sheets, in Action Event from the drop-down, select the action event as Add New Row. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here, we have to connect our Google Sheets account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this Sign In with Google button. Then after that, here from the pop-up window, select your Google Sheets account, then just scroll down and click on Continue. And as we click on Continue, we will see our Google Sheets account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, the first thing it asks us is to select the spreadsheet. So in this drop-down, you can see a list of all the spreadsheets which we have in our Google Sheets account. Out of all of this, the spreadsheet named as extracted financial data. In this spreadsheet, we want to add the details. So from this drop-down, we are going to select the same spreadsheet. After selecting the spreadsheet, it is asking us to select the sheet. Now in this Google spreadsheet, we have only one sheet named as Sheet 1. That's why in this drop-down, we have only one option of Sheet 1 and we are going to select that. Then after that, all the columns of data which we have created in this Google Sheet, you can see all of these columns as fields inside Pabbly Connect. And one by one, we have to basically add the extracted details received from OpenAI to these fields over here. And we are going to use the same process of mapping. Just click on this field of company name and from the drop-down from OpenAI responses, select the response of company name and map it. Then we are going to use the same process of mapping to map the rest of the details as well. Like here in the field of accounts receivable, here you can see that we are going to select and map the same response. Okay, so as you can see, one by one, we have mapped all the details, all the data extracted by OpenAI from the financial report, mapped in their respective fields. After mapping all the details, just click on this Save and Send Test Request button. And as we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see that we have received the response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the data which we have mapped over here is now added as a new row in our Google Sheet. So let's check it. We will just go to a Google spreadsheet, and yes, here you can see that in our Google Sheet, a new row of data is added over here. And we have these details extracted from the same financial report PDF which we have uploaded in our Google Drive folder. So here you can see that we have the same company name, same period, and same account details, same financial details as well. Also, we have the same name of the prepared by and email address which we have added at the bottom of this document over here, as you can see. So in this way, we build this AI agent which can extract the financial data from the PDF files and automatically add these details in our Google spreadsheet. So not just these applications, you can build AI agents and connect multiple applications using Pabbly Connect. Also, let me tell you that you will get a clone link of this same workflow, the same AI agent in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can just clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and start using this AI agent for free. Also, let me tell you that Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this AI agent, you can just do it for absolutely free.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.